Hello everyone. Today we're looking at the Odyson 150W power supply, a replacement specifically designed for the Apple Mac Mini A1993, the 2018 model. If your Mac Mini has suddenly stopped powering on, the power supply is a likely culprit, and this Odyson unit offers a potential fix. This power supply is made by Odyson and is compatible with personal computers. It uses a 20-pin connector. The Odyson power supply delivers 150 watts of power, matching the original specifications of the Mac Mini A1993. It adheres to the SFX form factor, ensuring a proper fit within the compact Mac Mini enclosure. The 150-watt wattage is sufficient to power the Mac Mini effectively. The cooling method is air-based, which is standard for these types of power supplies. The maximum input voltage supported is 240 volts AC, making it suitable for use in various regions with different voltage standards. Replacing a power supply can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, it's a manageable task. There are numerous online guides and videos that can walk you through the process step by step. Remember to always disconnect the power cord and take necessary precautions before opening up your Mac Mini. The Odyson 150W power supply appears to be a reliable replacement option for a faulty power supply in a Mac Mini A1993. If you're comfortable with DIY repairs, this could save you the cost of sending your Mac Mini in for professional service.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.